Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have
Flautas.
chicken flautas, guys. So we have been this week perfecting this recipe, and I can vouch for all three kids that have said
It was good.
it's fire. Super simple, super delicious, and it's gonna take us longer because we're recording
Yeah.
that fast. So what do we need? First and foremost, I got 2 massive chicken breasts that I put in a Ziploc bag. I covered with avocado oil. I pounded them out thin so they were all the consistent same size. And this is what you got. So I got 2 chicken breasts. Yellow corn tortillas, and I'm not a fan of corn tortillas.
The taste still different than the flour ones.
This one wins. Some cream cheese, that triple M slice, because I don't have the patience for that. Some queso fresco, which this is our favorite that we've had so far, La Morenita queso fresco. If you can find it, try it. White onion diced, cilantro, and there's a queso fresco. And for the seasoning, I've got SPG and fajita. The fajita I like a lot because it's got garlic powder, but it's got a lemon lime powder. It really makes the chicken pop. And of course, hot sauce to round off that I'll have.
Yeah.
But let's get to cooking. Got my air fryer preheating at 425 degrees. I'm gonna do both sides of the chicken. Hopefully you're seeing this chicken on here.
Yes.
SPG, light dusting, and it's got avocado oil to help with the coloring. And an even lighter dusting of the fajita seasoning. Brings the color to the table, the flavor to the table. Flip and repeat. We're gonna put this in the air fryer right there for 13 minutes at 425. You wanna go 14 for more color? Knock yourself out. 13, 14 minutes at 425. Be right back. Chicken's out of the air fryer and it looks
Good.
and it smells.
Delicious.
You guys have no clue. Time to shred. So, and I told you guys 13 minutes, but still use your probe and check because every air fryer is different. Ours, 13 minutes, 425. Take your 2 forks and start shredding. I couldn't even say shredding because I'm drooling. That's how good this smells. Should I not say that? Maybe we'll edit that out.
Loco.
Now we're done shredding. Triple M.
Good.
It's hot. She's not gonna come, but she's gotta taste the chicken.
Oh, that's good.
Good?
Sabe limón.
That lemon and that fajita seasoning is killer. So now we're ready to start building our flautas,
Flauta.
as she's chewing away. First things first, I'm gonna get ready for my next steps. So I'm gonna get my tortillas in the bottom of a paper towel. Make as many as you're gonna make, warm up. And then I'm gonna wrap this up.
Gonna put some water, splash some water on both sides. Put it in the microwave for 45 seconds.
In the microwave, 45 seconds. We'll be right back.
Por un plato.
After 45 seconds, I've got them out of the microwave, and I'm doing this so that they're more pliable and easy to roll. Right?
And yeah, they don't break.
And they don't break up on us. Take out our tortilla. A few pieces of that gorgeous shredded chicken. 1.5 pieces of that cream cheese. glad I got a paper towel still here. And then roll and wrap.
Tight.
One down, a few more to go. Finished rolling up. I still have quite a few more to go and still have some more chicken to go. But got my oil preheated. Triple M thinks it's too hot. We'll find out. I'm gonna go ahead and place as the motorcycles pass by. We went from 30 degrees in the Georgia Keys to 85 degrees in the Georgia Keys, and everyone's out and about. But you guys heard that. Here goes my first one into the oil. Chicken's cooked. Everything's cooked. All we're doing is getting color on the outside. After about 30 seconds, golden color, rotate. 30 seconds to a minute. After they get some color that you're after, pull them out and let them drain. And of course, repeat until you're all done. We're done. I'm not gonna make the mistake of eating the hot ones this time, so I'm gonna take the ones that I did fried first. Take 2 to set myself up. How fast was that?
Very fast.
Now, I do have this avocado crema, which we'll put a link here to our video that we did, our Jack in the Crack taquitos. So that's simple recipe for the avocado crema. And I'll top with the crema. And then, what do we put on here, sweetheart?
The cheese was the last, but that's fine. I do onion.
Oh, you do onion first?
And then cheese, but everybody's different. You do it your own way. It's your kitchen, so you do what you want.
Well, thank you. And since it's my kitchen, I can do
Ew.
a little bit of hot sauce. Never hurt anyone. And let's see what we're working with.
Oh. I know it's good. Spicy.
It's good.
It tastes different with the sauce.
Who wants to come? Anyone? It's got hot sauce. It's-
I'm already eating, but nobody else wants to eat, so I will take a bite.
I said a bite, not a big bite.
There's
I
more.
don't taste it.
Is it good?
The hot sauce is good with it. It's good. And Mark?
No. Guys, if you like the video,
Like the video.
comment down below if there's anything you want to try and make. Subscribe for more. That said,
Our tempo.
see you guys next Friday. That's
The hot
delicious.
sauce is good.